another video. You are watching Phones on Georgie with me, Kashmir, and today we are going to talk about HTC One M8. Yes, the HTC One series have always been in the market for n number of reasons, and why I always say so. The HTC series has always been in market with a non-sequential name, or we can say non-sequence way out there, or they are always launch their products in such a way that the sequence has always been out. We've already seen that M10 was a 2010 model out here, whereas the other models have always been released in such a way that the systematic way is not seen. But hopefully this series continues with the sequence out there, because M8 has been launched out in 2014 out there and was an amazing variant out here. We can say that this was an amazing variant out there. Whereas if we talk about the other series, if we talk about other variant out here, so we can say M10 was a nice variant out here and has been upgraded well. But let us see what M8 has stored for itself, because this has been a way in the highlights for various of reasons. Whereas if we talk about this variant, we can say that it has got the glass protection out there within itself. Yes, it has also got the glass protection, which is of Gorilla Glass 3. You will also get to see that it has got aluminum framework back and the frame outside. That's wonderful out there, that this phone has definitely upgraded itself and has been a nice version out there. But when we talk about this variant, when we talk about HTC's One M8 out here, we can say it has got a screen size of 5 inches, which is quite a good variant. But along with that, we can say that Super LCD 3 would work well with, if it could have been a better Android out there, because Super LCD 3 is really an amazing variant. But working out with Android 4 yet, which is upgradable up to Android 6, is still a nice variant. Android 6 तक upgrade हो रहा है, वो एक अच्छी बात है. But very honestly about this phone, if it could have a base of Android 5, then it would be really nice, because अगर upgrade करके Android 6 तक लेके जा रहे तो Android 5 का base भी काफी ज्यादा अच्छा कहा जा सकता था. But definitely we can say Android 6 तक upgrade हो रहा है, तो that's a wonderful feature out here, and now you definitely opt for it when it has Android 6 in it. Whereas you also can see that the Snapdragon is working well with Android out here, the operating system out there, which is Snapdragon 800, and is working very well with the we can say the octa-core processor out there, or everything out there. Like everything which is working with this is working well and can be said कि बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छे से काम कर रहा है. They all are combining and working together in a very well mannered way. We definitely need an expandability of this phone, because the storage capacity might not go well with the people who love to use extra memory, because 16 GB and 32 GB variants are not enough for most of the users. The 32 GB definitely once can be said okay variant, but 16 GB definitely cannot be considered. So definitely we need a better variant out here, as well as we need a 2 GB RAM. We can see in this, like 2 GB RAM is good variant out here, not a bad one. But talking about this variant, we can say in 2014 model out there, this feature could be considered as a low variant, because having a rear camera of 4 megapixel and selfie camera of 5 megapixel could be said something which is not working worth it. कह सकते हैं कि हाँ, अगर सेल्फी कैमरा थोड़ा और अच्छा होगा तो काफी ज्यादा अच्छी बात कही जा सकती है, because resolution capacity is very less out there when you have a 4 megapixel selfie camera with so good processing systems out there. मतलब इतने अच्छे processing system के साथ इतना खराब कैमरा नहीं work करता है. मतलब खराब नहीं कहेंगे, we won't say it's bad, but the resolution capacity is definitely not going well with the Snapdragon and the Android out here. We have a good selfie camera of 5 megapixels, so it goes well with this. 5 megapixel का selfie camera काफी ज़्यादा अच्छा कहा जा सकता है. Talking about this variant, it has got really amazing stereo type speakers. Along with that, Wi-Fi connectivity, Bluetooth, hotspot, everything goes well. You also get to see FM and 3.5mm jack for recording out there. But what goes not very well, or we can say the series really need to improve about it, is the storage or the battery life. These two factors definitely need to be worked on, because the battery life is या 2600 mAh, मतलब ज्यादा अपग्रेड नहीं, या तो 28 या 26, 28 26, 28 26. These are the two battery lives which we have seen in the till 2015 models out there. In even 2016 models, we have seen such kind of variation in HTC series. So 2600 mAh battery is okay variant, is a good variant out here, we can see. But talking about this variant is available out in various sites out there. But one site offers you a great pricing out here, and the site name is phoneZone.ae. Yes, this is the website name out here, and the website name is phoneZone.ae. You can either go on Google and check out, या तो आप डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में जाके लिंक पे भी क्लिक कर सकते हैं. Talking about this site, talking about this variant, talking about this site, this is the name out there. As well as when we talk about this site, talk about this variant, we can see that it offers a 6 months warranty, 7-day exchange policy. All mobile phones category, COD is there, and free shipping is also there. So this is an amazing variation out here. This is the category I was talking about, जहाँ पे आपको आपके favorite brands देखने को मिलते हैं. You get to see n number of brands out here, n number of categories in these brands. As well as this search icon helps you to search a favorite model out there. Like I am typing this model so that I come to know whether it's available or not and how it is. So we have got this model out here. So let us see the results out there. So we have got the result out there. So let us search the result. So this is the result. It has got a description box. Description box में अगर हम बात करें तो इसमें आपको inbox में हैंडसेट देखने को मिल रहा है, बैटरी है, ईयरफोन है, चार्जर है, as well as model number is written, brand is written out there. It's written the Super LCD 3 capital screening, Bluetooth है, 16 GB की storage capacity है, 2600 mAh की battery life है. So everything is mentioned out here. As well as along with this, there is a condition mentioned out here, which is refurbished condition. तो पहले हम बात करते हैं refurbished word की, refurbished condition की, उसके बाद बात करते हैं बाकी सब चीजों की. तो सबसे पहले बात refurbished की. Let us talk about the refurbished products today itself. Like let us know what is refurbishedness, what is refurbished product. सबसे पहले refurbished की बात करते हैं. Talking about refurbished products or talking about refurbishedness, we can say that refurbished products are something brand new like, or we can say something newly like. ये re का मतलब अगर we talk about the word itself, so re and furbish are two different words. Re means again, पहले जैसा, और furbish means something creating new, something creating from the old one, or like this we can say. So the combined word here itself means creating something newly like. So we can say that refurbished word itself means creating newly like. And when we talk about these kind of products, they are no different from the brand new products. So the brand new और इनमें ज़्यादा difference नहीं होता है. The thing is that these vary only in the market price, or we can say the usage capacity. Like brand new products are directly sold out from the company to the users or in between the agencies, but refurbished products are like company, then one user, and then the agencies, and then the user again. So कह सकते हैं कि brand new products जो हैं almost और refurbished products, और ये दोनों they are the synonyms. We won't say synonyms, but they are quite similar in the usage capacity, or we can say in the we can say like testimoniality, we can say structurality, functionality, everything out there is same. Talking about these variants, we can say that the brand new products are testified on the basis of different categories. Same happens with the brand refurbished products too. मतलब उनमें भी एक testimonial. If we talk about these testimonials, we can say the test, verify, certificates, parameters. They involve like display, its structurality, its audio quality, FM, 3.1 jack, or we can say the colorization, display has scratch or not, buttons, data wiping, OS system, the CPU it is using, or we can say everything. मतलब जितने भी parts हम बात करें, जो भी specifications सब पढ़ते हैं, चाहे वो इसकी बैटरी लाइफ को लेकर हो, चाहे वो इसकी वीडियो क्वालिटी को लेके हो, या इसकी रिकॉर्डिंग को लेके हो, या इसके इंटरनल फैक्टर्स को लेके हो, चाहे वो इसका जीपीयू हो, एनएफएस हो, इंफ्रारेड पोर्ट हो, या इसका ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम हो, मतलब एनीथिंग आउट देयर, दे आर क्लासिफाइड as such a category. ब्रांड न्यू भी इन्हीं कैटेगरी की बेसिस पर जज किया जाता है, एंड रिफर्बिश्ड प्रोडक्ट्स आर आल्सो जज ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ दीस कैटेगरीज हियर इटसेल्फ. तो इन दोनों को जब जज कर दिया जाता है इन दोनों कैटेगरीज की बेसिस पे, वी कैन से दैट यस, both the products are almost same. Like, why I said almost, because when we talk about brand new products, they are verified and tested by the company, they are checked out by various sites, whereas refurbished are checked out with one particular site, जिस साइट पे वो लिस्ट हो रहे होते हैं. मतलब इफ यू आर टॉकिंग अबाउट वन साइट, तो उसी साइट ने उसका पूरा टेस्ट किया है, उसे वेरीफाई किया है. इफ यू आर सीइंग इट ऑन अनदर साइट, उस साइट ने उसे वेरीफाई किया है. सो दिस कैन बी सेड कि यस, different sites verify different products. Now talking about this variant, why I'm talking about this variant, what are the advantages of having refurbished products, or what are the benefits of having a refurbished product for you? Number one, I would say, is none other than the savings of up to 15%. Yes, I have to say then it would be saving up to 15%. Talking about saving, we can say that why you can save up to 15%, because you get it in a pocketable rate. Yes, you get it in the pocketable rates. अगर pocketable rates में है तो definitely आपको save भी करने को मिल रहा है. You can save up to आराम से 15% तक saving हो जाती है, because brand new products are quite expensive out there. Whereas the same model in the refurbished condition, if we talk about in few times, then the price is actually in our pockets. Yes, that has dropped, or we can say is now much more for our pockets, so we can use that. So savings भी हो जाती है. Then next comes out the warranty period. Yes, you get to have 6 months warranty period out है, मतलब 6 महीने की warranty period भी आपको देखने को मिल जाती है. जबकि ब्रांड न्यू की बात करें उसमें 1 ईयर की वारंटी पीरियड आराम से देखने को मिलती है. सो दिस इज द मेजर डिफरेंस. But you do not get the exchange policy out there for the brand new products, but here you get the exchange policy for 7 days. तो 7 दिन की exchange policy भी आपको यहाँ देखने को मिलती है. So that's a wonderful feature out here. And these are the few benefits, or we can say these are the few advantages of having a refurbished product. Now talking about these advantages, or talking about the site where these products are available at a very valuable or an amazing rate out there, then I would say there is a site which helps you to get such amazing products in your pocketable rates and save up to 15%. So let me take you to the site as well. आप या तो डिस्क्रिप्शन पे जा सकते हैं लिंक पर, या फिर आप क्या कर सकते हैं कि आप गूगल पे जाके टाइप कर सकते हैं. यस, यू कैन टाइप द साइट नेम इज दिस. साइट नेम इज phoneZone.ae. आप गूगल पे जाके इस साइट को भी टाइप कर सकते हैं, या फिर आप आ सकते हैं हमारे डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में, यू कैन चेक दिस आउट. टॉकिंग अबाउट दिस साइट, मैं ऑलरेडी आपको इस साइट के बारे में बहुत कुछ बता चुकी हूँ. एंड नाउ टॉकिंग अबाउट दिस साइट, दिस इज द एरिया आउट हियर वेयर यू गेट टू सी नॉट जस्ट वन ब्रांड but n number of brands out there, as well as best deals is there. You get to see brand new products out there. मतलब यहाँ पे आपको हर चीज देखने को मिलती है. As well as when we talk about this website, you can say that this website offers you n number of things, n number of offers. So this website offers you n number of deals out there. Like the website homepage is this, and this offers you deals like cash on delivery is also there, free home delivery is there. So everything is out there, and you get to see the search icon, all your favorite brands out here. So definitely you can try out this website. The website name is, once again I'm telling you, the PhoneZone.ae. Yes, the website name is PhoneZone.ae. तो यही था वेबसाइट के बारे में, प्रोडक्ट्स के बारे में, और आप सभी के लिए रिफर्बिश और ब्रांड न्यू का थोड़ा सा डिफरेंस. एंड इफ यू लाइक द वीडियो, डोंट फॉरगेट टू लाइक एंड शेयर. एज वेल एज आप इस वेबसाइट पे ट्राई आउट कर सकते हैं, क्योंकि यहाँ पे मिलती है आपको बेस्ट प्राइसिंग के साथ साथ बेस्ट डील्स भी आपके फेवरेट मॉडल्स के लिए. टिल देन टेक केयर.